Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Islamic University of North America, Mishkah, Department of Learning Arabic for Non-Arabic Speakers. جسرك إلى العربية. Introduction to the program. This program aims to teach fluent communication in the Arabic language to non-Arabic speaking students. It will empower those who wish to continue studying the Islamic, economic, media, and language sciences in the Arabic language to fulfill their goals. In this demo, we will show you how to choose the right level, register, and begin the program. Step 1. You can find the description about the program by visiting our website, www.mishkahu.com, and clicking on Academics and then Programs and Certificates. Here is a summary for each level. Step 2. Apply now. If you are interested in applying to our program, please click on Apply Now and follow the steps. First, registration. Begin by creating your login information as shown. Second, fill out your personal information in the admission form. Third, upload your personal documentation such as ID, photos, and school certificates. Step 3. Pay the admission fee of $50. Step 4. The Student Support Coordinator will send you an email to welcome you and to confirm that your application and payment have been received. It will also include information on your placement test if you are applying for any level higher than the preliminary level. Step 5. Placement test. This test is for those who have a background in Arabic and wish to apply for a level higher than the preliminary level. The test has 2 parts. Step 6. After you take the placement test, our instructors will decide which level is suitable for you. You should then register and pay for the chosen level and submit your available days and times to the student coordinator. Step 7. The Student Support Coordinator will then contact you with the times the instructor has chosen for your session. The coordinator will also train you on how to use the live session interface in preparation for your first lecture. After registering, you will have an online library including a PDF book, pre-recorded videos, recorded lectures for the weekly live sessions, student profile data, and class history.